Hey guys, welcome to iSpecss. In this video I'll do the unboxing of the LG G8X ThinQ. This is not the latest device, but it's been trending on internet for a while now. That's because Flipkart had a special sale of this phone for Rs 19,990 on Big Billion Days, and that's amazing deal for that price. I luckily got it for one of my good friends from the flash sale from Flipkart on Big Billion Days. So before getting started, please subscribe to this channel. Now if you've done that, let's get started. We get two boxes inside the package. One is for the phone itself and another is for the dual screen. There is a festival special limited edition sticker on the phone box. Opening up the box, first we get the microfiber cloth and then the actual phone. I'll turn it on, and before it boots up, let's see what else does the box contain. There is another box and it contains the silicone case, start guide and warranty info leaflets and a SIM ejector pin. Then the USB-A to USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Then the 3.5mm earphones with some extra ear tips. There is no charging adapter in this special edition box. Now let's open the dual screen box. It has the dual screen having same exact 6.4-inch OLED display as the phone and the magnetic charging connector. As far as the specs go, it has the Snapdragon 855 flagship processor coupled with 6GB RAM and 12GB internal storage, backed with 4000 mAh battery. For front, it has 32MP selfie camera, and for rear, 12MP normal wide camera with optical image stabilization and a 13MP wide angle camera. It has got 6.4-inch dual OLED Full HD Plus displays with the in-display fingerprint sensor on the main display. It's running on Android 10 out of the box with LG UX custom UI. This phone also has the wireless charging and IP68 water and dust proof. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, give a like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel for more informative tech videos, and also turn on notifications to get notified when we publish a new video. Thanks a lot for watching iSpecss. Have a great day.